Hi, David Bonasera here for MB Stone Care. I have a company in San Jose, California called ESP Sales. We're the largest distributor for MB Stone Care products in the Western United States. We have a full line of products, whether it be for residential, commercial, or industrial. From simple things like floor cleaners to heavy-duty tile and grout cleaners. This is the finest MB3 soap film remover. It rocks. This is pretty incredible for natural stone. There's nothing like it. And we have regular cleaners that have sealer in them. And MB9 happens to be the best mildew cleaner and safest for natural stone in showers. We also have enhancers and some of the finest sealers in the business. We have a new product called Zero, which is a great marble product, very easy to use even for the beginner. We have the MB11, which is more of a touch-up type product, which can be used for the homeowner or for the contractor. And MB20 is a staple throughout the world. It is the finest granite polish out there. We also have stain scrubs and heavy-duty alkaline. So for all of your MB Stone Care product needs, ESP Sales.